Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Roblox display name. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, your first one, head over to Roblox website, and from here just want to go into the settings. So the way to find it is go into the top right corner and click this cog. Now from here I'll show you 4 different options, but we just want to choose settings. Now we're on settings. As long as we're in this part which says account info, we'll be able to change our Roblox display name. So as you can see here, the first option is display name. So if you were to change it, we're just going to go to the right and click this little icon, and from here we can change our username. Now just to be warned, display names can only be changed once every 7 days. So don't change this to something stupid. Change it to something you're actually going to use, otherwise you're going to be stuck with it for 7 days and not be able to change it. So if you want to change your actual username, what you would do is do the same thing but this time for username. And as you can see, I haven't actually verified my email, so it's not letting me, but I'm guessing that most of you will have since you play the game. So you'll be able to change it just like did with the display name, and then after that your username or display name will be changed. So yeah, that is exactly how you change your Roblox display name. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.